Hey guys, welcome back to Paper Chaser TO. Before we get started with the tutorial, I wanted to let you know about our crafting club. For the price of one template per month, you'll receive access to all of our templates throughout the site. Don't know if you'll like it? Well, sign up now and you'll receive 14 days free trial. So head on over to Paper Chaser TO and start crafting. So in today's tutorial, we'll be making this really cute card and envelope ensemble, which together looks like a pill in a bottle. The pill is the card and the bottle acts as the envelope. Everything you'll need for this tutorial is on the screen right now. So to start, we want to take a sheet of acetate, which measures 4 1/4 by 8.5 inches, and score it on the 4 1/4 side at 1 inch and then 6 1/8 inches. Since acetate is quite stiff to work with, I like to fold along the score lines as I go along. Now you'll want to rotate your sheet of acetate 90 degrees and score it at 1 inch along the 8.5 inch side. Now, using a pair of scissors, we want to trim the corners off where the score lines cross. This way we're trimming off a lot of the bulk that the acetate sheet does have, and when we glue it to the cardstock, it'll lie nice and flat. So we're going to take our piece A and fold down along the flap, and then we're going to sandwich the acetate around our piece A. I've found that double-sided adhesive tape works best to adhere acetate or any type of plastic substrate to paper. If anybody knows of a better way to do this, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, taking our magnets, we are going to sandwich it to the front and the back of the flap of piece A. Here, I'm using some washi tape to tape the magnets into place. Then, using some more double-sided tape, I'm going to secure piece B onto the back of piece A. Then, taking your C pieces, we are going to glue piece C2 to the front of C1. Using my double-sided tape again, I'm going to secure this piece C ensemble onto the front flap of piece A. And this finishes off the envelope or the pill bottle part of the tutorial. This template comes with two options of card shapes, a circular version and a more rounded rectangular version. For both versions, fold along the score line and we will attach piece D3, then glue D2 onto piece D1. And that is it for this tutorial. It was super quick and easy to do, but it looks very high quality using that sheet of acetate. It's a very unique envelope and card combination, and I believe it would stand out being gifted to, your doctor friend, your pharmacist friend. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And as always, happy crafting, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!